Let's create a UV sphere. We need 16 segments. Tab to go to edit mode. Alt-Shift select the faces like this. Shift select the remaining faces at the top and the bottom. Select and invert. Let's remove the rest. Time to create an empty object. Let's add the array modifier to the mesh, and use the empty object as its anchor object. Rotate the empty object 90 degrees on the Z-axis. Select the mesh, and Ctrl+3 to subdivide. Let's use the simple deform modifier's twist to turn this mesh into a spiral sphere. I'll solidify the mesh. Let's apply a material and render the scene. Please watch a tutorial listed in the description to match my final render settings, as I'm using a cloned look dev HDRI setting. I'll use the sky texture. Let's turn off Use Nodes under compositing. I'll also use 32 samples to render. Let's increase the mesh's subsurf render value to 3 to smooth the mesh a bit more. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.